We're here at the Qali crafts village. Here you can get handmade pottery or jewelry or everything else your heart desires.
Mommy used to sing us a worker's song. Times got hard with our fingers to the bone. Saved all the money just to get back home. Worker's song, worker's song. Mama used to sing us a worker's song. Worker's song, worker's song. Mama used to sing us a worker's song. Sing.
It's been established here at the Qali Craft Village since 1974. As you see, we import the raw material, manufacture it here, and can be sold locally, and we export it as well.
Our shops are Super Gold Jewelers and Nice Filigree, and in this particular place we do filigree and stoneworks. What we have here is we import the stones into big material of stone. Afterwards we make them into small pieces with wire threads, and then we start to work necklace as design requested.
Here we work the craft of filigree. First of all, we import the silver and gold, and we make different thicknesses of threads. Thick wire like this and fine wire like this. With the thicker wire we make shapes like these are. This is a shape of a Maltese cross. With the fine wire we cut it into small pieces and we twist them round with the tweezers as the young lady is doing over here. For this part you need a good eyesight and a lot of patience. Now, later these are filled into the shapes. Like these are already filled.
Good afternoon. Well, actually, as you see from our collection, we specialize in local miniatures. We do reproduction of existing buildings and monuments in churches, and it's a painstaking job because we start from pictures and on-site surveying, and we come up with sketches and scales that we can start building the miniature from soft wax. This is modeling wax, as you can see here. I'm using modeling wax. And gradually we create the model, 3D model. Most of them are 3D models. As you can see here, we are doing a special memento for the entrance of this maiden visit to Malta of Splendida. So we have the Valletta there, and they have the tower, the watchtower here, and the Splendida going into the harbor.
I mean, we have been in the business since 1971. This was an English company owned by an English couple before. You know, pottery had originated since the Phoenician times and much before that. So it kept, the industry remained alive, you know. So we tried to keep it as much in demand as possible. Obviously, today we are producing different type of ceramic that used to be produced 300, 400, 500 years back, right? If you go to most museums around Malta, you can still see the ceramic artifacts, you know. So the tradition is still there. As you can see, we can create any design. We get people coming over with their own design. After that, we put like a certain glaze on top of it. We fire it. It's taken a temperature of 1050 degrees Celsius, and it can withstand any weather.